Hello and kia ora, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you so much for joining us for our Wednesday weather update for April the 26th. High pressure, that is the main feature on the weather map at the moment, but there's a low forming in the subtropics as well, way up here towards Vanuatu. But this is the main high pressure zone coming out of Australia, and it's very slowly drifting towards New Zealand over the coming days. But it begins with a southerly flow for today, Wednesday. So another surge of windier weather, all the way up to about Auckland and some parts of Northland. Over on the other side, pretty calm across New South Wales, but the windier northerlies are coming into South Australia, so a little bit windier, certainly warm though, around Adelaide. So let's take a look at Thursday's setup. High pressure slowly drifts closer to New Zealand. That increases the chance of inland frosty weather and certainly some colder conditions when you wake up in the morning. Now up to the north there is that low starting to form, throws a few more showers into that east to southeast conveyor belt, mostly bringing showers to coastal parts of Queensland. By Friday, no real change in the map. The low gets a little bit deeper, still got those showers spreading back a little bit further down into New South Wales, and on the other side in comes that cold front. Temperatures start to drop around Adelaide and a bit later on into Melbourne and Hobart. No major changes, but just a sign that things are pretty unsettled. For New Zealand, it's mostly settled though, just the easterlies or northeasterlies picking up at the top of the country. And as we go into the weekend, those northeasterlies pick up even further. There might be gale force winds developing in some marine coastal areas. Overland, not expected to be too much of a problem, but you'll see those showers, just mostly light, but a few showers in that northern side of the North Island and curving around a little bit into the west coast of the South Island. Meanwhile, in Australia, on Saturday, in comes that cold front for Sydney. By the time we get to Sunday, a small area of low pressure actually forming in the Sydney, New South Wales area, especially on the coastal side. And we've got the low pressure zone coming out of the tropics, dropping down towards the North Island. So those northeasterly winds on Sunday, they continue to blow through, blustery up around the Bay of Islands and Cape Reinga. Further down, not so bad, and those showers go all the way down to about Gisborne. And so next week, classic squash zone. High pressure parked out over the Chatham Islands, low pressure near Cape Reinga, and between the two, a subtropical nor'easter blowing through. It'll be blustery in exposed areas with a bit of rain in there, and this airflow coming from very close to Tonga and the Cook Islands. So that's the reason why, once again, we've another warm week on the way. So May is kicking off with mild weather, thanks to this setup that you can see there. And that is all from me. Back again tomorrow with the latest. Visit our website as well for more details. Go to weatherwatch.co.nz or ruralweather.co.nz. We'll see you tomorrow, Thursday, with our next update.